Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video we are going to see how to simulate ESP32 in Proteus. So let's create new project. Next, we have to select the components to make the blink circuit in Proteus. So let's select the components. First, we have to select the ESP32. Here you can see ESP32 Oro module. This one is the simulation module we have. If you don't have this module, I will add the video link in the description. So go through that and add the ESP32 in your Proteus. So let's select this, and also we need LED. Here I have used the LED grid, and also we need resistor. So select the resistor also. So let's create a circuit. I am use T2 pin for LED blink circuit, so connect T2 pin and then place the LED. In here you can't access the ground in the ESP32, so you need to place the external ground to simulate this circuit. So let's select the ground, select it, and change the resistor value as 1K. And here you have connected the LED to digital pin, so you have to select the model type as digital. This is the complete circuit for blink function using ESP32. So let's code for this. Here you can see this is the LED blink function code. First we have to define the LED pin as 2, and then we have to select the pin mode. Here LED pin as output, and then we have to write the digital write LED pin high of 1000 millisecond, and then after that LED pin low for another 1000 millisecond. So let's serve this code. For your easiness, you have to save this coding file in the same folder. Then you can easily access the code in Proteus. So select the same folder. Here you have to save your code. In the Proteus we need hex file to simulate the ESP32. So let's generate the hex file. Here you can see export compile binary. When you click this one, it will automatically create the hex file. It will create it. Here you can double click this one. Here you can see program file. In this place we have to select the code file. Here you can see the same folder is appear here. Otherwise you have to select the folder using arrow key. Here this is the Arduino code, so double click this one, and here you can see the hex file, so double click this one. Then the hex file is selected, then click OK, then run the simulation. Here you can see after 1 second the LED is blinking. If you want to change the timing of the blink function, you need to change the code and run the simulation again. Let's see how. Here we have selected delay as 1000 milliseconds. Now we have to change it as 100 milliseconds, and also this one. Then verify this code and export the hex file. You already upload the hex file, so no need to select the path again. So stop this simulation and run the simulation again. Here you can see the blink is between 100 milliseconds. So like this one, you can change the code and run the simulation. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.